Selling Notion templates. How one creator makes $4,000 a month. Hook. This creator makes $4,000 every single month selling Notion templates. They don't have a YouTube channel. They don't have a massive social following. And they spend less than 10 hours a week on this business. Here's exactly how they're doing it, and whether you should be doing it too. Intro section. Hey, I'm walking you through a legitimate side hustle that's actually working for people right now. We're talking about Notion template creators. People who build productivity systems in Notion and sell them for anywhere between $19 and $99 each. Some people are making 4, 5, even 6 figures from this. But most people who try it quit in the first month. So we're breaking down exactly what separates the people making real money from everyone else. Part 1. The business model explained. Let's start with the simple math. This creator we're talking about sells approximately 20 templates per month at an average price of $200. That's $4,000 in gross revenue. Their costs are basically zero. Notion is free. They use Canva Pro for graphics, which is $13 a month. They pay for a Gumroad account to handle payments. Another $7 monthly. Their total overhead is about $20. Here's what separates this from a scam. Notion templates are genuinely useful. People actually use them. We're talking about budget trackers, project management systems, content calendars, habit trackers, financial planning dashboards, stuff that helps people organize their lives. Someone pays a one-time fee, gets access to the template forever, and you collect that money with basically zero effort after the template is built. The business model is dead simple. Create once, sell infinite times. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service nightmare. Just pure digital product leverage. Part 2. How they're actually getting customers. This is where most people fail. They build a great template, then wonder why nobody's buying it. Here's what our creator is actually doing to move 20 sales per month. First, TikTok. They're posting 15-second clips showing the template in action. Not selling, just showing value. Watch how I track my entire business in one Notion page. Here's my budget system that helped me save $5,000 last month. These videos get 5 to 50,000 views each. Some convert better than others. Second, YouTube Shorts. Same content, different platform. They post the same template showcases as Shorts. Linking to their Gumroad in the description. Third, Pinterest. This is the sleeper platform for template sales. They pin high-quality images of their templates with descriptions like, budget template for Notion. Free preview. Pinterest has tremendous search volume and drives people who are actually looking for solutions. Fourth, email list. This is the crucial one. Every single customer gets added to an email list when they create a new template. They email existing customers with a 50% discount. Half of their sales come from repeat customers and email recommendations. They're not doing paid ads. They're not buying followers. They're not using some secret Facebook group hack. Just consistent, free, platform-native content that shows value. Part 3. Is this actually viable for you? Let's be honest, building a first template takes time. We're talking 30 to 50 hours if you're learning Notion from scratch. If you value your time at $30 an hour, that's $900 to $1,500 in opportunity cost your first template might make. 0 sales for 3 months. Or 5 sales. Point is, you're not getting rich in week 1. But here's the play. Build 3 to 5 solid templates. Cross-promote them. Get on the email list. Hit month 6 with a small audience of 200 to 500 people interested in Notion solutions. Suddenly that passive income engine starts running. The barrier to entry is low. The competition is growing. But it's still a legitimate path to 3, 4, $5,000 in monthly passive income if you actually execute. Call to action. If this interests you, your next move is simple. Spend this week learning Notion inside and out. Solve one problem you have with Notion. Document how you did it. That's your first template. But before you build anything, hit that subscribe button because we're breaking down more side hustles that actually work next week. Your future self will thank you.